We'll guide you through how to update VSDC video editor. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the VSDC video editor application to open it, and wait until the main interface is fully loaded. After it opens, select the Activation tab and click Check for Updates to let the program search for available releases. If there is no new version message appears, simply click the OK button to close the notification and continue. You will notice that the current version is 1.1.7.714, and the available version displayed is exactly the same. You can also adjust the Check New Version every setting in, for example, leave it set to every day for automatic daily checks. If you know that your application is not running the latest version, click the Check button again. But notice that no newer version is found. Because the Update button is unavailable, close the application before proceeding with the manual update method. Next, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. Type 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com into the search field and press Enter. Once the page loads, click Download at the top of the page. Then choose Video Editor from the available options. Check that the latest available version is 11.2 before downloading the installer. Click Download Video Editor's 64-bit version to start downloading the installation file. After the download finishes, click the browser download icon and double-click the downloaded file to launch the setup. Click OK to use English as the setup language. Next, click Yes to uninstall the previous version before continuing. Click the Next button, select I accept the agreement, and then click Next again. Continue by clicking Next and click Yes whenever prompted during the installation process. Keep clicking Next by following the setup instructions until the installation screen appears. Click Install to begin installing the latest version. Then click Finish to restart your computer now. After the restart, open the application again from the Windows Start menu. Once the application opens, the updated version is displayed on the main page, confirming that the update was successful.